Welcome back! Today we'll explore nutrition's best-kept secret, the top 10 superfoods set to transform your health. Brimming with essential nutrients, let's dive in. But first, your health comes first. Help yourself become the best version of yourself and subscribe. Now let's kick things off. 1. Blueberries. Our inaugural superfood blueberries, a nutritional powerhouse loaded with antioxidants crucial for brain health and combating inflammation. 2. Salmon. Next is salmon, a superstar boasting omega-3 fatty acids crucial for heart health, essential for your overall well-being. 3. Kale. Moving forward, kale takes center stage. This leafy green dynamo adds flavor to meals and delivers a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It supports bone health, immune function, and provides a fantastic source of nutrients for vitality. 4. Chia seeds. Now let's spotlight tiny yet mighty chia seeds. High in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and protein, these seeds aid digestive health and offer sustained energy. Consider them in smoothies or yogurt for an extra nutritional punch. 5. Avocado. Taking the 5th spot, the versatile avocado. Packed with monounsaturated fats, avocados lend support to heart health. Whether in salads or spreads, get creative with this nutrient-rich fruit. 6. Broccoli. Now let's not overlook humble broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable deserving a spot in your diet. Bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, broccoli supports immune function and cellular health. Its versatility allows enjoyment steamed, roasted, or in soups. 7. Quinoa. Shifting to quinoa, a nutrient-dense grain and excellent source of plant-based protein for a balanced diet. 8. Turmeric. Now add a dash of spice with turmeric. Renowned for anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric with curcumin benefits joint support. Add it to dishes or savor a soothing turmeric tea for vast benefits. 9. Sweet potatoes. Transitioning to sweet potatoes, our 9th superfood. High in vitamins A and C, they support skin health and provide complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. Swap for regular potatoes for a nutritional boost. Scene script or 10. Greek yogurt. Last but not least, round off with Greek yogurt. Packed with protein and probiotics, it champions gut health. Whether on its own or as a base for a nutritious parfait, enjoy a creamy way to incorporate essential nutrients. Closing. The top 10 superfoods can transform your health. Incorporate these nutrient powerhouses for a vibrant lifestyle. If you found this video informative, support by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing for more content, and hitting the bell icon. Don't forget to help yourself become the best version of yourself by subscribing. Thanks for joining our nutritional journey. Stay healthy and subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time.